I think I did 5, and then I just did 10, did another 5 in one place so we get the total, but it's 25 plank jacks, 10 push-ups to the side, 25 plank jacks, come on back, 10 push-ups, 25 plank jacks, okay? Then from there we're going to move into your curtsy lunges. For the curtsy lunges, you already know the drill with these. Holding your kettlebell, you're going to lunge back, up off a step, pushing up through your glutes, coming up to the top, back down, and up, back down, and up, okay? 2 sets of 25 on each side, and then from there, we're going to end with 50 long leg clam raises. So on your side, bottom leg bent, top leg straight, you're coming up, back down, up, and down. 50 on each side. So all in all, the workout takes 10 minutes, and it's just about, I would say it's about getting the most with the least amount of effort, but it's getting the most in the sexiest way possible. So that is the goal, my love. Stay hot, stay healthy, stay sexy, and always, always remember, your gorgeous, gorgeous body is worth every single sexy round. Love you, my love. Take care.